Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the circulation pump grommet on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because you're getting water leaking from the grommet. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. And we have to lay it down on its back. So right here is our circulation pump grommet. It connects our pump right here to the sump. In order to get that part off, we're going to have to take our circulation pump off. So we're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver and loosen up this clamp right here. And once we've got that loosened up, we're going to pull off the pump. And now I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to carefully put that in so we don't damage the sump here. And just work that down. And do that in a couple different places just to give us something to grab on here. And once we've got a couple of spots loosened up, just pull that out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement circulation pump grommet. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. If you want, you can either put the grommet inside here first and then put the motor into that, or you can attach the grommet on the end right here and just push it down. It'll be nice and secure. And once you do that, you're going to line up this tab with the hole on the back here. And then push the grommet up into place. And now we'll put this hose up. And just push in the motor a little bit more. So that's nice and tight up there. And now we'll secure the clamp. Okay. So now we flipped up our dishwasher and stood it back up, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.